everyone. I will be continuing Mr. Robert's discussion. No? So, ito yung diba, Asian regionalism is yung parang pag-merge or pag-collab ng mga different regions in Asia. So, there are different groups of, of those that are yung mga nagtulad, diba? So, there are Central Asia, East Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Western Asia. So, the countries in Central Asia are Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. So, sa East Asia naman is China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, Mongolia, and Korea. So, South Asia, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Southeast Asia, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Turkey, Singapore, and Southeast Asia naman, Middle East, Armenia, and Azerbaijan or Bahrain. So, kaya sila yung mga nagsama-sama because yung mas malapit sila sa Jew. Kung tinitingnan natin ito, geographical na nila, formula, magkakalat sila. So, sila nagsama-sama. So, sa overview, sa Central Asia, ang sa Central Asia is important in the Silk Road trade, the historical, economic, and cultural exchange between Rome and China. So, dun nangyari yung trade between sa Rome and China. Tapos, next, East Asia naman is the cradle of ancient civilizations such as the Chinese and Japanese civilization as well as the Mongol Empire. South Asia is high population density, cradle of the Indian civilization. Southeast Asia is found in the Asia-Pacific Ring of Fire. Historically, the goal destination of the European expedition for its spice. So, the center of Southeast Asia is many arid desert regions conserve as gateways to the eastern bodies of water. So, after that, nagsimanakan natin yung Eastern regionalism is about sa pagtulak or pagsasama-sama ng mga countries in Asia. So, mag-proceed na tayo sa dynamics of Asian regionalism. Here sa dynamics of Asian regionalism, nakapokus naman siya sa economic growth na effect ng ina-effect ng Asian regionalism. So, please, everyone,
Bang published a book on the emerging regionalism in Asia. Is contributory to the economic development experienced by Asian countries.
Asian Development Bank, so sila, ang main purpose nila is to help the Asian countries that are having difficulties in terms of infrastructure, so sa transportation, sa communication, and kumbaga hindi siya nakafocus lang sa business, so mas nakafocus sa infrastructures because kapag hindi na-improve ng country, ng isang Asian country, yung transportations nila or technologies, magiging wala po yung effective na Asian regionalism na pag-collaboration nila sa isa't isa na walang communication. So, next is the factors influencing the growing integration of Asian region. So first is the enhanced dialogue between citizens of various nations. So, diba kung walang communication ang bawat nations, hindi magkakaroon ng effective na collaboration. So, kapag hindi sila
Go.
So next is expanding intra-regional trade and investment. So supporting also financial markets and interdependent economies. So intra-regional trade and investments is yung trade and investments inside the regions. So kapag na-expand po yun siya, expand more sa
facilitated by regional infrastructure project as well as collaboration in delivering public goods.
So, factor siya lang sa growing integration sa regional system. Kasi kung wala kang connections ang bawat regions, so walang mangyari na collaboration na effective na para ma-improve pa na lang yung economy ng Asian regions. So next is market-friendly, multi-track, and multi-speed approach. Member can integrate based on their capacity. Furthermore, it opens up for collaboration and merging of smaller groups. And it is responsive to business and open market. So, need talaga na market-friendly, multi-track and multi-speed yung approach ng mga regions para mas ma-improve pa ng mas ma-improve further pa yung economy. So, there are various benefits perceived from the Asian integration. Some of those discussed by ADB are as follows. So please read everyone.
Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, EAS, Asian Summit, APC, Asian Pacific Community, AAC, Asian Community, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, APT, ASEAN Plus 3.
So, dynamic population mechanism is yung like about sa kanya. So, like, ano ang mga other questions? Questions?
Ikaw pag-ask.
So, ako na lang mag-ask, no? So, sa tingin niyo, bakit ba important yung ano, dynamics of Asian digitalism para ma-improve yung economic economy? So, sa mga Miss Ricky, ito yung ito muna, tapan.
Alteo.